Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I have a plan to make something super simple as I am also learning, so this can be a great start for us. Let's make a cute sheep.
First of all, what you need to do is to make a big circle. Just like that. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be a circle. Okay. Just till you see it. Just a small sketch of the circle. Now, make small bumps over the circle. Like so. I'll fast forward this part. Okay, then now that it's done, let's just erase that sketch that we made lately. Just like that. Good job. And now just make a small circle inside. Good. So what you need to do in this circle is now to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bumps. Maybe 6 in my case. Make the small ears. And now let's draw its face. It is just a smooth, tiny, curvy face. Okay, so now that that's done, let's erase the outline that we made on this one quickly. Okay, nice. So let's draw its face. For the face, what you need to do is first make the mouth. I like to start with the mouth. Okay, done. So now let's make big eyes. And tiny blush. Good. Now that the face is done, let's make its cute little feet from the front sides. Okay, just like that. And the legs that are the hind legs. Just like that. I'll just make a bit of the ground, imitating that it is jumping. And there we go. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video.